So this is the issue where it's just stuck at the boot screen. This is the C3 Plus. So for that, first you have to go to their website. Under the service section, go to motorcycle support and then select the firmware details. You'll see these two files. Just download these two files, and it works on a Windows machine. So I'm using a 64 GB memory card. You can use a fast memory card, and you can format it with exFAT32 and then extract the zip file into a new folder. Then you can run the exe file. It will be a green color icon. Yeah, as per the instruction you can see in the support page. Phoenix card. Yeah, before running this you need to disable your firewall. You can just disconnect from your internet and you can just disable all the security feature, because it might detect as a threat to the system, but it is not. How do I turn it off? That I can turn off the internet. GUI security not here. Turn everything off. Then you can run, then we'll be able to run the application. Yeah, as this was my first time, I was just keep on going. I was just going back to the support page. So this is the memory card that I've used from SanDisk, and this was pretty much fast. Okay, I've already formatted this, so it's all empty one. Okay, close everything. Now what do I have to do? Person drive. Okay. Will appears on the image. You see the drive it is showing. Insert, select the firmware file. The firmware file, where the firmware files? Okay, image file. What is our image file? Okay, this is the image file. So you'll having two files. One is the image file.img, one is the zip file. The zip file basically is used to burn the software into the memory card. So you, on the first, you can just select the image, and the instructions are pretty much clear in the OS support page. So you just have to select the firmware and just click on burn. So first step, you have to choose the product, select the product, and then click on run. Do not change anything, and you can just select the refresh drive so that it will make sure that the drive is mounted. Do not select any other drive, else it will format the drive. Always select the drive where you have inserted the memory card. So once you click on the burn tab or the button, it will start copying the OS image to the card. It's pretty much simple, and you have to make sure this is the bar is progressing to 100% and it goes to green color, as you can see here. Yeah, it is green now. Yes, and then it will detect automatically. Then you can just make the last step, just come to the bike and then remove these two screws. I had already removed it, and once you remove that screws, you just pinch the rubber. There's a softer silicone cover, you can just remove it. It is basically for waterproofing the socket. And then you can see the memory card slot. So here you go, you just put the memory card that you have just used it for loading the OS image. Just push it a little bit, it will lock in there. Yeah, you can use your nails or you can just use a blade or any flat object. Then you have to turn the ignition, however you do it. So you will see a vertical progress bar. Yeah, see there. So it took me only 2 to 3 minutes. It depends on the class of the memory card that you use. Yeah, so once you see this whole bar turns green, you have to turn it off, then remove the memory card. Do not turn it on with the memory card, do not, as per the instruction, else it will again reboot it. And I don't know what will happen if you turn it on with the memory card again, so better let's not do it. So once you remove the memory card, you can turn it on. Voila, it will work, and it is a brand new OS version. I think they have given this update just because of iOS 26, and the icons are pretty much new, and the touch is also good. Yeah, I did not pair my TPMS because last time the issue occurred due when I paired the TPMS, so I don't want to take the risk. So yeah, I don't want to touch this part. That is where the problem started. So I'm still waiting for response from the support team, but anyways, it is working. I don't want to touch it. I don't use the TPMS much when I don't use the camera. As you can see, I'm on iOS 26 and it is working perfectly fine. Okay, as you can see, it is working. Brightness. Touch the trash pressure.